In a world dominated by fast fashion, there remains a timeless art form that stands apart, a craft rooted in patience, precision, and passion. Welcome to the world of traditional Japanese obies and tapestries, where every piece is a masterpiece brought to life by skilled artisans. These craftsmen dedicate weeks, sometimes months, to applying intricate designs onto the finest silk, ensuring that every thread and pattern tells a story. The journey begins with selecting the highest quality silk, known not only for its beauty and strength, but also for its health benefits. Silk is gentle on the skin, hypoallergenic, and promotes better circulation, making it a luxurious yet practical choice for these exquisite creations. Once the silk is prepared, the artisan meticulously applies designs inspired by centuries of Japanese culture and tradition. This process requires a deep understanding of both the material and the motifs, as each stroke of the brush or needle connects the fabric to its cultural roots. As the artisan works, the silk slowly transforms, with every design reflecting a deep connection to history and art. These are not just patterns. They are symbols of identity, resilience, and the enduring beauty of handmade craftsmanship. But this art form is more than a tribute to the past. It's a bridge to the future. By preserving these traditional techniques of design application, we ensure that this cultural heritage is passed on to the next generation, keeping the spirit of Japanese artistry alive. At Art of the Obi, we celebrate this enduring craft. Our obies and tapestries are not just accessories or decor, they are works of art, each infused with the health benefits and elegance of silk. Whether you're looking to add a piece of history to your wardrobe or your home, or simply want to learn more about this incredible art form, we invite you to join us on this journey. Subscribe to our channel to explore the world of traditional Japanese craftsmanship and discover how these ancient techniques and the luxurious benefits of silk continue to inspire and enchant.